Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 14th of January 2021 and currently time is 10:11 am. So traders, coming on to our today's trade. Today I have taken a trade in Sipla. I am for the selling side traders and I have placed order for the sell side with 6 quantities by maintaining my maximum risk of 25 rupees in this trade. So traders, our risk is only of 25 rupees in this trade and we are trying to gain risk reward ratio of 1:3. Okay traders, so this is the trade which is going on. It is currently on our cost price only and this is the trade. So traders, now it's 2:05 p.m. you can see, and our stop loss was got triggered, and you can see here today market was totally sideways. You can see here traders. Okay traders, so no problem, very small loss we have to accept sometimes, no problem at all. Let me show you it on the terminal on which I trade. So here you can see, and it's showing our loss of 26 rupees today, no problem, totally accepted. And you can see only one trade, that is of Sipla. Now zero quantity because exited the trade and all done. So traders, this was my today's trading video, and okay, that's it. So traders, this was my today's trading video. Hope you learned something from it, that we have to accept sometimes these kinds of small loss, and hope you enjoyed this video also. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.